Hey guys, welcome back to Man Time. Hey men, welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode, we are going to move a little dirt. I've got some dirt here and checking on the hayfield. The hayfield is looking really good. All that red clover is starting to go to seed, and once that turns, the way I do my hayfield is I have a lot of clover, and once all those red balls turn gray, and then when you can just kind of flick them and they fall apart, that's when I go to cutting my first cut. By that time the Bermuda grass will be coming through there, and should be a pretty good first cut. But doing a lot of maintenance this spring. I don't know about you, but having to do the cars, the mower, the weed eater, the trimmer, the this, the that, the tractors, the everything, you name it, and then house stuff on top of that. So a lot of boring maintenance stuff going on here at the farm, but I'd like to thank my 1,000 subscribers. That's really freaking awesome. A lot of men out there that enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you so much. So today we're going to be running the tractor. I'm also going to go around and be starting my other tractor, checking on all the hay equipment, and firing up the track excavator. So let's start off by moving some dirt. Welcome to Man Time. Well, we got the bridge looking pretty good here. The second creek running down through here is pretty much ready for the culvert. I wanted to make sure this bridge was going to hold. I was a little concerned about the concrete bags. What I really want to do is back the dump truck up right to where I need to dump the dirt here. That saves, a bunch of all that mess going on. It's not real easy. The Mahindra, its one weak spot is the hydraulics. There was times when I was getting up under that dirt, and of course it's wet, it just rained last night, but still, the hydraulics just stop. You're like pulling, lifting, it's just not doing anything. So, one downside, weak hydraulics. And I've heard that with other Mahindra owners. Mahindra, work on your hydraulics. Alright, if you're wondering what the hell you're watching here, it's man time. Why is the carpet all wet? I don't know, Margot. So, anyways, this is man time. This is where we move dirt, have fun. And actually, this is homesteading. And a lot of this channel is homesteading, trying to build a house back in the property, setting the property up to run a water line. And, if you're thinking about doing that, maybe go back through my channel. Like and subscribe. Thumbs up and subscribe. I don't know why people say like. If you want to see what it's all about. But that's what the channel's all about here. Let's go strut up some other farm equipment and make sure everything's ready to go, so when I start bringing dump truck loads down, I can count on all my equipment to start up. Let's go. The first thing you want to do here when you're going and looking at your equipment that you haven't ran in a while is look for, especially in the springtime here, look for birds' nests kind of tucked up under things. I've had before in the air intake, a little sparrow had actually made a nest, and if I would have went ahead and started it up, it just would have sucked all that nest and whatever down into the intake. So, okay, looks all good there. Let's see if we left anything hooked up. Check the levers. Check the levers. Make sure the levers are down. Make sure it's in park. See what we got hooked up. Alright, nothing hooked up back here. Alright, let's see if she'll start. This is a John Deere 2010. Kind of a wreck with the transmission shifter linkage. But a good stout tractor, 50 horse at the PTO, 50 horse plus. And it's good, strong running diesel. I've rebuilt this one with, it's actually got a sleeve pack in it. So it's a pack of 4 sleeves in one top plate. And yeah, I've just gone through the whole thing. This was on the property here when I got it. And it's been a good tractor for me. Let the glow plugs go for about 10 seconds. Yeah, she's leaning out pretty good. Yeah, you want to let these warm up for at least 15 minutes. I got some new friends here on the property. Apparently they think it's their property. Anyways, we're going to start up the 941 here, see how it starts up. It's been at least a few months since I've moved some dirt with it, so we'll see how it goes here. I used that 15 minutes for the John Deere to go ahead and drive it on back here and fire up this Caterpillar. So, well, they are not happy with me. It's my property! Your buddy's smart. He knows what a fence is. All right. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. Yeah, this is the 941 Caterpillar track excavator, and man, it's running good today. It likes this warm weather. It's about 72 degrees today. Perfect. But yeah, subscribe for the next episode. We'll be taking this, moving some dirt with it, and continuing on man things on the homestead here. So get out there, have you some man time too. I'm gonna go get me a haircut. Ugh.